Hello everyone, welcome to Left 4 Dead 2. Today we got JJ. Last time we beat Swamp Fever, and sorry we've been gone for a bit, it's just people plan to play the game with us for Frosty. And they basically just delayed us from playing it, am I right, JJ?
Yeah, I paid $10.
So now we're playing a harder raid.
They broke my comedy mask!
They broke my comedy mask!
They broke my comedy mask!
Alright. Kings are over there and Crybaby are gonna go deal with the Sploinks.
Are you sure you want to pair them up together?
Of course I do. They're two of the most mentally stable people here.
Kinger having a seizure in the background. I just love he just start like add Gmod sound effects of him randomly start having a seizure. It's like a lot of.
Alright, we actually gotta focus.
You don't gotta focus.
Oh, we gotta collect gas for you? Great.
Is the milk run.
Get fuel and return to the boat.
Walk in the park. Walk in the sun.
Yo!
Okay.
I wanted to
All we
find
gotta do is get some diesel and get back on the boat.
Don't jinx us, Nick.
Follow me.
Why can't we curse?
Ammo. Gas station is across the street.
Hey, bro. See you, bro. Hey, man. How's it going? Hey, bro. How's it going? Hey, man. That's not very nice.
Next gas 2 miles.
Wait, there's a gas station for 2 miles? Great. Alright, well, we better get going. Charger! Ow!
Are you kidding me?
Look out!
It's on me, it's on me, it's on me, it's on me!
Ellis, come on, man.
Yeah, Ellis.
No, you monkey.
I'm reloading.
Grabbing pills.
God dang it, Fred.
It wasn't me.
Kevin said it wasn't him while he said alert midnight trance is alerting the horse. Better! That kind of spitter is
Get these idiots off. Help, help, help. Killers each uncommon infected, right? Hey, we both got him now. Bro, will you get off me?
Reloading.
Hey, Nick. That was my ass you shot.
What just happened?
Jockey, jockey, jockey! And a hunter! I sacrificed myself for you, brother.
Better. Thanks.
Oh, great job, Rochelle!
Watch out!
Fix the
You're gonna
problem.
kill me, Brink, I swear.
I fixed the problem, though.
Landmines!
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, that's the witch!
Witch coming! Witch coming!
I scared her away. Don't worry. I was totally not trying to hide
I
here.
wonder if she's alive.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's totally alive. Yo, wait, bro.
Shot here.
Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, bro, get in. Yo, what's up, bro? Ruby. I got a picture of you and your dude. Garage sale, yo, bro, we gotta go to that. I heard they're doing a 1-for-5 deal.
Reloading.
Behind you, JJ. You're welcome. Hi, Bob. So cool.
Reloading.
Kill the spitter. You're welcome. Ah, great! Here. You got it! What?
See what I have.
Throw it, JJ.
Reloading.
Okay. I got this. Ready for this? You wait. I'm gonna die. Reggie.
Slowly killing Coach while he heals me.
Sound effect.
That's not a tank! This early?
Y'all gotta shoot this tank. You hear me?
Reggie, you can help.
Get you back up.
I got you, homie.
Sure thing.
There's a boomer over there.
You know, it's not all right that you were shooting me.
Sorry.
Yeah, Bambi.
Shut up.
You're gonna wanna make peace, my man.
No! No!
Hunter.
Reggie, I'm on my last thing.
Yeah, bro, here you go.
And don't waste this by getting pounced on or something.
Thank you. It says first aid kit means death. If I get knocked out, I die.
Boomer vial here. You hear that, Boomer?
I got frag rounds.
Deploying frag round.
Reggie,
There's a safe room!
where?
I'm guessing that smokestack is the sugar mill.
Go, bro.
Yeah, Branchy.
Hey, look out!
Don't close the door. Don't close the door.
Don't close the door yet. Get all healed up.
Raz first. Then close.
Close that door now.
No, I don't think we will.
I'll take this.
Do you want a shotgun or do you want me to take it?
I have a shotgun already.
Alright, I'll take the scar then.
Somebody got the door?
That
Yo,
was
can you
funny.
get the door, JJ?
Don't forget to close the
Oh, yeah,
door.
sure, though.
Yo, bro,
wait,
can you
wait,
get...
wait,
Hey, bro, can you get that door, bro?
Oh, yeah, sure, bro.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Come here. Alright, how many chapters are in this again?
No.
I completely forgot.
We beat chapter 2.
Yeah! It's only gonna get more difficult, JJ. Yeah! How does Coach and Rochelle do the most damage?
Me being molested.
I'm still standing. What are you watching? Alright, bro, let's get going.
I'm with you.
Oh, I'm supposed to be moving. I'm stupid. Autistic lovers.
Discord mod.
Hunter found.
Hey, watch out!
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Reloading here.
Let me in. There's some people. Oh, there's a witch already, dude.
I can hear it. I can hear it.
There's a smoker around here.
This way.
Smoke is upstairs.
Deal with the witch first. It's right over this
Take!
wall. Alright, we gotta go this way. This way's just a dead end. Wait. Wait. Flashlight off, flashlight off.
Grenade launcher here.
Yeah!
Where's that? Where's that?
I haven't. She's. Oh, I see her!
Shoot at her. Oh, I see her. Taking a nuke.
That's not the only one! That isn't the only one, JJ!
Sigma sound effects.
No,
There's two
JJ,
of
that's.
them?
Yeah, there's two of them! I swear. Dude, I swear I heard another one.
My burning goose shit.
Is there a
Yeah,
name
you
on
see,
there?
I hear it! I knew I saw another one. It just left. There's three. There's three witches.
Question. Can we not shoot each
Is
other?
this the witch?
Reloading.
Is this the witch lair?
Found it. I found the way.
I don't think you found a way.
No, maybe. Possibly. Hopefully.
You
I
didn't
hear a
find the way.
charger.
Oh, wait, no. It's just right here. Oh, that's a charger! Kill that.
I hear it. It's getting closer.
Wait. Light off. Light off just in case.
Assault.
A pipe bomb.
Give me the pipe bomb. I want that. Found it! Running! Let me in the porta potty!
Welcome, I guess.
Thanks, bro. Remember, there's gonna be three in here, so once we get into the building, we gotta watch out.
Goddamn two.
There's four! Bruh.
Up that ramp.
Light her up. Light her up. Light her up.
You gonna be okay?
Oh, I'm on my last life, I think, again.
Don't shoot at them. Let Will Show and Coach shoot at them. Or let me shoot at them. Wait. Before we do anything.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I started the witch! Oh god! I'm juking the witch! Bro, I juked the witch so much. Oh my god.
Look, we have to get going. Come on.
How did we live? How? Tell me now.
Dude, how did I live that long? I was juking the witch badly, dude. I broke her ankles.
You juked the tank.
Found another one.
Another witch.
Running, 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 running. Is she after you? No, she's still after me. Killed the witch.
There is so much pain.
You're welcome. I took care of the witch for you.
There was another one.
There was two?
Yes, I killed it too.
Oh, that's and great. We just got boom.
I'm dead.
Where are you? I'll protect you. Stay near me, bro. I got you. Bambi, where are you? Bambi, take this. Bambi, 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 Bam, Bam, Bam! Take that now.
Thank you. I'm literally about to die.
I need this.
First aid here.
Use it.
Healing.
Grab that thing because you're good at aiming.
It's a protein can.
All right, now I'm back.
Alright, let's do this. Hopefully there's a safe zone nearby. Oh, there's one guy up there. Oh, there's multiple guys up there.
Guns here.
Oh, JJ, look what I got. I got an old marked gun. Oh, dude, I love this gun. Oh, heck yeah, we going in.
Let's get out there and find a parent.
I'm about to die.
Don't worry, I'm dealing with the jockey. Told you I'd deal with the jockey. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye. Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye. Goodbye. Sir, leave me alone. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. This is how customer service feels. Sir, goodbye. Alright, let's go, JJ. Sir, goodbye. That is a hunter.
Hunter.
Still in there. There is
I'm dead.
6th witch. Or 7th. JJ?
Hang on. You need this. Dr. Nick fix you.
Thank
Yo,
you.
bro, I'm totally healing you from this far away. What's up, bro? Let me shoot at the witch because I can run from her.
So you just
Wait!
saved my
No, there's a
life.
propane tank! Where is she? 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 Where is she?
About to get serious.
Welcome. Actually, just use melee here, dude. This is like the one area we can use melee at.
It's here. Almost, actually.
Witch is here, or... Nope, elevator's almost here. Bambi, get near the elevator. You going first, right? Go. Come on, Rochelle. Come on, coach. Oh, my God.
There's a lot of witches.
Yeah. Finally, Nick says that was a lot of witches. Don't
Me
heal me
literally
yet.
just being a
Don't
whole
heal me.
entire douchebag to fucking did you?
Who's fighting?
I'm having this pipe bomb out just in case we have to deal with another horde of zombies. Wait, shh, quiet, quiet, quiet.
Boomer.
Ain't no boomer, dude. Woo! Hold on! Throw that out in the cornfield!
Throwing a Molotov.
You actually hit the witch!
Come here.
Toward the sun.
Keep moving.
Move, run.
Again, and I'll come back on you.
Just go, just run.
Don't startle with any wood. Just keep running.
Ah!
Get in the station.
Baby, run!
I'm dead.
No, I'm saving you right here, right now. I do not care.
How did I not die completely?
I threw a grenade. Go, just go.
I need a heal.
Heal up.
Get inside, y'all.
Going as fast as I can.
Thank you. Don't close the door yet. Ignore what they have to say.
Close the door. Let's get this gas.
I think it was supposed to be a good idea. I had to do it, dude. We were gonna die.
It's fine. No, you weren't. You
Mill
don't.
escape. Oh, this is the final one, I think. Either that, we got a fourth one.
I thought you said there was 5 and 1.
No, I don't know if there's 5 and 1. Yeah, most every should take. I did nothing.
Root beer.
Ruby. Alright, so clearly we've been.
Wait.
storming
Everybody
outside.
got a gas can? I do not want to make this trip twice.
Yep, got one.
Who's grabbing the gas? Oh, we all have a dude, yo, bro. Nice
hit it.
diesel on your back.
Oh, wait. Why
Alright.
is this gun like low ammo? Holy crap! I just died.
Everyone ready for this shit?
I'm not
Hey,
ready.
no swearing.
You ready, JJ?
Oh, wait. Where's my shotgun at? I have the gas.
We all got good gas.
Watch out!
Oh shit, it's really storming.
We actually gotta return completely. Oh, great. We gotta go back to the cornfield.
Heads up.
Just go through the cornfield. Just go. You know what? Grenade! You're welcome. Let's go.
Oh!
Just go, bro. Just go. Yes! Look! Transportation! Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, coach, bro.
Right, you're throwing it out.
Coach is bugged. That's not a joke either. He's literally just bugged. There we go. We gotta go.
Yeah.
Hurry, coach. Hurry. Finally!
Nah, screw it. I'm gonna heal again.
JJ, you hear what I hear? Get ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Right here, right here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Bury you alive.
Up the ladder, up, 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 up.
Smokers around.
Alright, then this way.
Come on, this way.
Bro, it's just a speed run at this point.
Yeah, well, we're getting out of here, dude.
Down here.
Dude, you. Oh, God!
Weapons over here.
So went from a non-horror game to a complete horror game. You've got to be kidding. Nah, leave him. Leave him. Leave
I
him.
just leave him.
Yeah, definitely just leave him!
Reloading.
Where do we go? This way, this way. I remember, we gotta do a little zigzag.
Can
Bro,
anybody see that witch?
Discord ping me.
Wait. Dude,
Come
Nick said
on.
look, there's a witch. Light off, light off.
I'm dead.
Oh my god!
Ready, hold
I
still.
got this, I got this.
Hold still.
Don't start of the witch.
He's here.
Alright, let's just sneak past.
Remember, every time we kill a
Look
witch
down at
in
the
this
ground.
level, it multiplies.
Oh, I accidentally looked at it. I accidentally looked at it. I accidentally looked at it.
Hey, Reggie, can we help that strange person? Hello.
Another code. There's
I just
another
realized something.
witch.
This whole place has got flooded. It's a hurricane then or something.
Yeah,
It's a flood, actually.
light off.
Which,
Grenade!
You're welcome!
Fire thing coming!
In here, in here, in here.
I'm reloading.
Look out now!
they're gonna kill me. I'm almost dead.
Follow me.
Set the house. Set the
Go,
house.
go, 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 go.
Yo, I'm hurt.
We're good.
I can't see a damn thing.
Come on, bro.
Holy crap, this level's actually intense.
Hey!
Oh,
Yes!
safe room. Oh, we have one more.
Oh my god. Wait, I'll be like right back, dude.
Go on.
Entertain the audience.
Huh? Oh, okay. Fortnite. Yeah, I don't know. So Terraria, right? It's a bit of a crackhead, is it? Terraria. The reason why I'm addicted to Terraria is just because I can't stop playing it. Because I'm very good.
Alright, Judge, I'm back. Did you entertain the
Okay.
audience?
Totally.
Okay, I'm gonna slap you if you didn't.
I totally did not.
Slap you.
My bow.
Flooded.
Alright, so based on how I'm seeing this, dude, let's go on top of the ladder because that'll probably be our best option while I fill this. Alright, go.
Hey, watch out!
I was explaining the lore about Terraria about me.
Oh my god.
Was that entertaining at least? I did something.
Yeah, you did do something. I'm running, bro. What are you talking about? I'm
fell.
speed running.
I remember that torch light. Reloading.
Dude. JJ, this
Shut
level
up.
is difficult, bro.
Weapons over here.
It's parkour, Branchy. It's parkour. One of your favorite things.
Ah,
Look out
yeah.
now.
Oh, yeah.
It's one of your favorite things, Branchy.
Gaming
Parkour. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Alright, just keep going, bro.
I got a Discord thing. Someone go to sleep room. I saw that.
Okay, it's gonna last for a bit.
No. Come back here. Come back.
No.
Aggressive.
Dog, imagine you got your machine gun back.
I think I'm in my next one.
Smoker.
Currently in a building right now.
I'm
There's
right
another
behind you,
witch.
Branchy. Shut your mouth.
Just run towards the park. Run towards the park. This is like the... Yes! Witch is right there!
Where?
Ah!
Run, Branchy. Get out. Get out.
Witch coming. Witch coming.
Reloading!
What brain cells is it doing right now?
Damn it.
No.
Bambi, help me! Yo, thanks,
Don't worry.
man.
I'll use my gun.
Wait! Safe room!
Dang, that was so
Gamer,
fast.
gamer.
One last push and we out of here.
They lied.
Don't close that door yet, I need a heal.
Gonna
Oh
heal.
yeah, press F.
We don't even have cameras on.
Cover me, please.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I've been doing that.
You should probably save this for me.
Alright, give me... I'm just gonna keep my weapons. Let's close this door now.
Another achievement.
How did Rachel do the most?
What? Rochelle did nothing. I
I
just
just
realized,
above
dude,
everything.
imagine this, there's gonna be 6 levels. No.
It's a town escape. You can do it.
No.
How am I in second place?
Alright.
Into the
Wait,
burner
wait.
tank.
Let's get out of here, dude. I'm done with this place. I'm leaving. What? You've gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, you know what? Get these goobers off me. I'll do this. Get the goobers off me. I'll do it.
I'll do it. We were here already ago,
Real.
a long time ago.
Real gamer, real. You're welcome. JJ, get up here. This is the best spot.
And how did you get up there?
Sideways.
Reloading.
How?
Shocky! Yeah! Can't be helped. Andy!
Oh, fuck.
No!
Oh, I could have just done this on the start.
Watch out.
You tell me.
Come on, please get up, please get up, please get up, please get up.
Wait a second.
Good enough. Thank you.
Come on, both sides. There we go. Go for it,
JJ.
go for it. Up, 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 up.
JJ.
Yo.
Dude, come on, bro. We gotta go.
Grabbing a pipe bomb.
Where's the boat even gonna go? That's the problem.
I think we gotta continue living.
It's a tank. Crap this.
Hey?
You're welcome. I'm gonna try climbing up here. Knew it. He's dead. Bro just fell back.
How did Burger Tank get all those zombies to come, even though it didn't make any sounds?
I don't know. Where are they still? It's fine. That's a boomer!
We gotta go somewhere.
Where do we go?
I think I found the way.
This is the oh my god, no.
Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
I think you're dead. I'm dead!
I got killed by a strangler.
Smokers around.
What are the AI doing?
Thanks. Ammo here.
Yo, JJ.
Yo.
What's up, bro? Number 10. No! Frying pan!
Ratchet, you or a tank?
Man, gee whiz, I wonder if I see a tank. Yo, fall over. Fall.
Healing. I can hear a jockey.
That worked.
Yeah, I can most definitely hear a jockey sound. Wonder if I Hunter! These AIs aren't gonna do anything, man.
Rocky is like your most loved
Yep, AI's not gonna do anything.
I do what I heard. The ship here. You can get out.
Everyone to the boat.
Get into the boat, brother. I'll leave them.
Oh, that way. Yeah, go that way.
Bye, Rochelle. I'm leaving, y'all.
Go, Reggie, go, Reggie, go, Reggie, go, Reggie.
Weird.
Go.
Yo!
Grab the
Gamer.
Oh, Reggie, you killed all. You killed all three of us.
You left. You 37 minutes.
So yeah, Reggie, we're not gonna talk about how I got like
Don't
knocked
talk
down
about
twice.
it.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about it.
Yeah, bro, I think you should
That was
skip.
fun. Yeah, I don't know, but I think we should skip.
Yeah, bro, I don't think about this skip.
That's it, right? That's the last chapter?
Mm-hmm. No, not last chapter. We still got... We got The Parish, The Sacrifice, No Mercy, Crash Course, Death Toll, Dead Air, Blood Harvest, Coldstream, Last Stand, and then just add-ons.
What?
So in total, we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more chapters to go. Well, JJ complains about life choices. I hope you all enjoyed. Have a nice day and goodbye.